Hey guys, okay, so I have some news, and I'm not sure if Tram really wants me to say it, but I'm gonna say it anyway. My friend Tram, she's moving to America for like, what, forever? So I decided to make a vlog about her, because she's one of my best friends, and I cried so much today. So, here are some memories of Tram, and I have written a letter for Tram, but, you know, I'm not really sure if she's already read it. Today, I cried so much, so hard, oh my god. I'm such a drama queen. So, I will start reading my letter. Yeah, I have to put my glasses on because I can't see that well. I'm such a blind person. Anyways, here we go. Dear Tram, by the time you read this, you will be most likely in America or in Vietnam. Or maybe you're still in Australia packing your things. Anywho's, I want to say that I hope you have a safe trip to America. I hope that you find great friends there that will treat you right. You're gonna be a transfer student. I've always wanted to be a transfer student. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tell me how it is there. Oh my god. Promise that you'll come to Australia every year, yeah? You promised me that, right? I wish you the best. This is getting kind of long. Remember, give any American person you know a Bebo. And don't rub off where I tagged you, here or here, I'm not sure. And remember, we'll meet together after high school, after university. We'll meet together in Japan. We'll split the rent. I'll keep in touch with you every day if you do the same. I love you so very much. Love, Lyncee.
Let it go. What time? Is it Thursday? 11:30. Oh, Tram. We are going to look at back at this video. Look at his face. Like the wind was out for her. You guys all better remember this day today. We're gonna look back on this video. Ruffles. We're gonna look back at this. That looks, yeah. We're gonna look back on this video in 10 years time. Let's stop bending the chip now. How much quickly? Burn it, child. Burn it, child. I got the chip on it. Like bigger here with the chip on it. That wasn't much damage.
Seven's heaven. I love you, Tram. It's not even on video. I love you, Tram. Oh my god.
This is really